Hi guys, it's me, RJ, from the Super League Bros, and we got some more Pokemon cards. In the other video, I told you that I was going to get some more, and I got some more, and we got these at Walgreens. This is the Phantom pack. It says Phantom Force. First, we're going to start off with this one. Look at the pin. Now let's open this one. Now here's the pack. That's what it looks like. The package looks really cool. I hope I don't get the same ones. That one's the same one. This one, Link, about 100. This is a training card. Well, I finally got a new one. That's cool. Ooh, Nidorino. And that's all for my first one. Now I got two of the packs. First I'll be showing you my, and I'm gonna be showing you my Xertius. Now here's my Xertius. Here's my Xertius pin. Now I'm gonna open up these two packs. This is like my Thea's favorite Pokemon because Bulbasaur, the evolution of Bulbasaur, she likes the evolution of Bulbasaur. Now I got a Weedle, I never had that one, an Energy, a Skitty, a Spoinky, I don't know. Ooh, Beedrill, that's what he turns into. Team Flares, Burnt. Ooh! I've seen that one. And here's another one. I got one more pack. I already got that one. I don't think I got that one. Krabby. I got Goomy. They try powering him up, and then he finally gets powered up because I've seen that episode. I think that
Chansey.
Spearow, Blissey, oh yeah, Furfrou, Lampent, and that's my last card. So guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next video when I get more Pokemon cards, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.